guys, it's Kristen with Simply a Stewart, and I am back today with another Young Living haul. So this isn't going to be a huge haul, but it is a few things that we needed around the house. One of the things I love about Young Living is the fact that they have so much more than oils. They really have a lot of products that you can get for your home and for your family that are toxin free, and you don't have to worry. So I picked up some things that we needed along with a couple oils we needed, and I just wanted to share with you guys what we got in our wellness box on our ER order this month for October. So the first thing I picked up, because I like to make sure I always have one of these in the cupboard, and we opened the one that I had, and so I'm going to replenish my stock, is a Kid Sense toothpaste. So this is fluoride free, and it does have, you know, none of the junk. I don't know if you can read that. You can go onto the Young Living site and read the ingredients if you're interested. My oldest is now 10, and she has been using my toothpaste, which is the Thieves, on and off. But actually, my youngest got that accidentally on her toothbrush just because somebody wasn't paying attention when they went to brush her teeth and put the wrong one on out of the drawer. And she started screaming, hot, 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 hot. And I'm like, what's going on? You use this toothpaste all the time. Well, she accidentally got the Thieves. So this is really great for little kids because it doesn't have that Thieves in it, and it's not hot for your little ones. So my kiddos love to use that. And then we also got this month, we're trying out for the first time the Thieves Mouthwash. So I like to have, my husband really liked to use mouthwash. Now we ditched all the crappy mouthwash and we haven't used it honestly in years. But I thought that this might be something that he would be interested in using, and my oldest had expressed some interest in using mouthwash in the future, and so I picked this one up. It's a first time for us, so if you guys have tried this, let me know what you guys think. We haven't had the option to try it. I got all of this stuff, and I've been waiting to film it for a few days, so we haven't tapped into any of it yet, and I'm dying to use some of this stuff. Another new thing for us is I mentioned in my last haul, I was trying to do some of the new Savvy makeup and get rid of other junk that I had slowly but surely because, you know, money is always a factor. And so I picked up the Savvy Minerals, what is this, Warm One. I had somebody help me try and figure out colors because I am not really good at this. I am not a makeup guru of any kind. So I did pick up this foundation. I've heard wonderful things. I have seen wonderful things by people who do their makeup and share the before and afters and how long it stays and all of those types of things. They say the coverage is amazing. I personally use a liquid foundation currently, so I'm really excited to see how this will cover for me. But everybody seems to like it, so we shall see how it goes. If you guys have tried this, let me know what you guys think, if it works well for you. I'm hoping that that color matches my skin tone okay. Again, I had somebody help me figure that out because I'm not very good at that. So that was all of the things that we got that were not oil-based. They were just some things for around the home and for our, you know, for our family's health that we want to make sure that we're using that don't have a bunch of toxins in it. In addition to that, and I think I butchered this last time too, Rutavala. Don't you just love the roller cases? They're just so pretty. I hate when I have to break that seal. Anyways, we had got this a few months ago maybe, for my daughters who were having some trouble sleeping, and they really, it seemed to help them. And all of a sudden you could tell when it ran out because they are up again at night. My kids have never been the kids who get out of bed and they're like, I need a drink, I need to go to the bathroom, I need this, I need that. My kids never did that. But all of a sudden, about, I don't know, a few months ago, like I mentioned, my oldest specifically started getting up. And I think it was just because she couldn't sleep. It wasn't because she was having any kind of issue. She just would come down and go to the bathroom or come down and do things because she could not fall asleep. So we got this. We tried it. She loved it. It really did help her seem to go to sleep easier. And once it ran out, you could tell because she was up again. And she's been up every night since. And it's been driving me batty. So I'm excited to get this to help her hopefully go back to sleep when we put her to bed. And then the last thing that we ordered for the month was Purification. This oil is a lifesaver now that we have dogs again. We used this a lot when we had our dogs before. We have puppies. We have not one puppy, but two puppies. And they, when we got them, they were having belly issues, and we have dealt with, I don't know, 8 weeks almost now of all kinds of belly issues. We've been to the vet, we've had them tested for things, we've changed food, we've added pumpkin, we've added rice, we've done all kinds of things. And finally, I think we've got it mostly figured out. But they were having a lot of bowel issues. And so on top of trying to train two puppies not to go in the house, we were having bowel issues. And so you can imagine between that smell and the dog smell, you know. So we went through a lot of this. We started using it also on our carpets, which I have loved. You use some baking soda in a mason jar and drop some of this in, close it, and then you put I have a separate second like seal that I switch out that has holes in it. Just shake it on the carpet, let it sit, and come back through and vacuum it later on. And it really has done wonders, I think, just to help kind of keep the dog smell at bay. Fortunately, they don't stink like stink. Our last dog had some skin issues and really stunk. But they don't have that. It's just they smell like dog, because that's what it is, and then you times it times 2. So we run this whenever they have an accident. We use it on the carpet. We've been using it as a furniture spray. I've been putting it in with some witch hazel and just spraying it on the couches periodically, and so that's seemed to really help. So this was not something I wanted to run out of. Our last bottle was almost gone, and so I wanted to make sure that I picked another one up, especially if you're not familiar. This is one that you can only order one per month, I believe. So you can't, if you run out and you want to stock up and get 2 or 3 in a month, you can't do that. So I wanted to make sure that I had one on hand to start using right away, and I wanted to make sure I wasn't scrambling later to pick some up. So, and then since I ordered all of that, of course, they love to give us freebies, which is awesome. And I got Nutmeg. So I have not found a combination that I love that has nutmeg in it yet, but this is definitely the time of year when nutmeg is in all kinds of different diffuser blends that are like holiday related and smell really yummy. So I've been using some different things. Nutmeg hasn't been on the top of my list yet, but I'm hoping, because I got a freebie, that I'll be trying out some new things and find something I love with this. So if you guys have something that you guys like to throw in your diffuser and watch your Hallmark Christmas movies or wrap Christmas presents to, let me know, because drop it down in the comments below. I would love to hear so that I can get that used for that purpose. So if you guys like these kinds of videos, please give it a thumbs up. And if you guys are new here, please go ahead and consider subscribing down below. We'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye.